Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is great to have you here. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably seen a dozen reviews of the new Samsung S25 Edge already. They're everywhere. And let's be honest, most of them are the same old song and dance. They talk about how shiny it is, how fast the processor is, yawn. We're not doing that here. We're going to dive deep. We're going to talk about what Samsung actually did with this phone. Because after spending some serious time with it, I have one burning question. What were they thinking? Get ready, because this review might just shock you. It might make you reevaluate everything you thought you knew about flagship phones, and maybe, just maybe, your wallet. All right, let's get into it. Pull up a chair. First impressions? The design is, well, it's something. It definitely makes a statement. And yes, you guessed it. The Edge display is back in all its curved glory, which means, naturally, the accidental touches are also back. Get ready to open apps you didn't mean to, or swipe away notifications just by holding the phone. It's a feature, right? But I have to admit, despite the quirks, it does look futuristic. Holding it feels like you're holding a piece of tomorrow, even if tomorrow involves a lot of unintended screen taps. Moving on to the software side of things, we're talking Samsung's One UI here. It's definitely gotten better over the years. Smoother, more refined, less Samsung-y, if that makes sense. But let's not kid ourselves. It still comes preloaded with a healthy dose of Samsung bloatware. It's just something we, as Samsung users, have learned to tolerate. Like that one weird uncle at family gatherings. Now, the camera. Oh boy, the camera. Overall impression? It's pretty impressive. Samsung continues to push boundaries here. The low-light performance is absolutely insane. I can actually see things in near darkness with this phone. It's like having night vision goggles in your pocket. But the zoom is a bit aggressive. It's powerful, no doubt. So powerful, in fact, that you might accidentally take a crystal clear picture of your neighbor's cat from across the street. Just be careful where you point this thing. You might uncover secrets you weren't meant to know. Battery life. Samsung claims improvement, as they always do. And technically, it is slightly improved. We're talking marginal gains here, folks. It might last you a full day if you're not constantly gaming or watching videos. Which, let's be real, who isn't? So maybe pack a charger. Or two. Oh boy, the price. Let's talk about the price. You might need to sell a kidney, or maybe a non-essential organ. Start checking the black market rates now. It's a premium phone, and Samsung is charging a premium price. No surprises there, but it still stings. Despite the quirks, the accidental touches, the bloatware, and the slightly better but still average battery life, it's still a Samsung. It has that undeniable premium feel in your hand. The build quality is top-notch. The display is gorgeous. When the Edge isn't causing issues, it's a vibrant, stunning panel. And the power under the hood is undeniable. This phone chews through tasks like they're nothing. It's a phone that will turn heads. People will notice it. Even if it's just because you accidentally turned on the flashlight with your palm for the 5th time today. So what was Samsung thinking with the S25 Edge? Honestly, after all this time with it, I'm still not entirely sure. It's here, it's bold, and it's definitely going to spark some conversations. It's a phone that doesn't play it safe. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. We've covered the Edge display issues, the bloatware, the battery that's just okay. Is it worth the price? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question. And it's one I'm going to leave for you to answer. If you enjoyed this brutally honest and hopefully hilarious review, please do me a favor. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Speaking of growth, if you're a fellow YouTuber looking to grow your channel, stick around. I share weekly tips and tricks on YouTube growth strategies right here. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.